Jamaican gets 6 years in prison for distributing child porn in the US. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican man was on Tuesday sentenced to 6 years and 6 months in prison for distributing child pornography in Wisconsin, United States. Rajiv Israel, aged 32 years old, was sentenced by Chief U.S. District Judge James D. Patterson after pleading guilty on August 7, 2023. The announcement was made by Timothy Shea, the United States Attorney for Western District of Wisconsin, in a statement. The Jamaican, who was residing in Baraboo, Wisconsin prior to his conviction, faces the likelihood of being deported following his release from prison. If Israel is not deported, the prison term will be followed by 10 years supervised release, the statement also said. Allegations are that on July 2, 2022, a 15-year-old girl reported that she had been sexually assaulted by Israel. Further investigation showed that the defendant filmed the assault and sent her a video of it. Law enforcement officials found additional videos of the defendant engaging in sexual activity with the minor on the Jamaican's phone. At the sentencing, Judge Patterson said that the defendant took advantage of a vulnerable girl when he engaged in sexual conduct with her, and videotaping the conduct amplified the harm to the victim, the statement informed. The charge against Israel was the result of an investigation conducted by the Lake Dalton Police Department. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.